Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to find Binance User ID full guide. Open the Binance app or website, sign in securely, then tap your profile icon to view account details. Once in your profile, scan the personal information area for a field labeled User ID or UID, then copy it or note it for records. I will guide you through both the app and website steps so you can find the ID fast and confidently. To find your user ID in the Binance app, first open the app and confirm you are logged in. Next, tap the profile or avatar icon in the top corner to open account information. Scroll through the page until you find the user ID or UID label, which often sits near your email and verification status. Use the copy function if it appears, or tap and hold to select the number for pasting elsewhere when needed. In this video, I will explain how to find Binance User ID full guide. Quick pause here to say thanks for watching and please subscribe and like if this guide is helping you. Quick recommendation: check out the Kindle Paperwhite I mentioned for reading on the go and look in the description for the link and other deals. Hit the bell to catch more useful guides, and now let's get back to the video. On the Binance website, sign in and go to your dashboard to access the Account Center. Click your profile avatar, then choose Account Settings or Personal Information to open the detailed view. Look for the User ID or UID field, which is typically displayed with other identifiers like email and verification level. Copy the ID directly or write it down for support requests, referrals, or record keeping, and keep it private to protect your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.